Hey buyers, are you frustrated with higher mortgage rates? Did you know that there are options available to help offset the cost of those rates? Hi, I'm Maureen Mahood, broker owner of Sell Your Home Charlotte here in beautiful Charlotte, North Carolina. And as an active buyer in today's housing market, you have the option to request from the seller to pay for something called a 2-1 buy down. And this might be just what you need to be able to get the house that you want. This is a mortgage loan that helps buyers offset the higher interest rates, and it only works if the seller pays for it. But with this program, your payment will be 2% lower in the first year and 1% lower in the second year. And then it goes back to the fixed 30-year rate if you haven't already refinanced by then. So this is done with a seller credit, and the credit is your savings. So it could be your key to unlocking your dream home. So let me tell you a story. I recently had clients who fell in love with let's call their dream castle. But there was a catch. The mortgage rate made their monthly payments a bit too pricey for their taste. I mean, they qualified for it, but the current interest rate just made them think there might be a better way. So what did we do? We turned to the sellers and asked them to contribute to a 2-1 buy down mortgage. And guess what? The sellers agreed. So my clients were thrilled. And again, in simple terms, a 2-1 buy down mortgage gives you discounted rate for the first 2 years. It's like a welcome gift from your mortgage lender. So for my clients, this meant saving hundreds of dollars a month in year 1 and a couple $100s a month in year 2. And by year 3, they'll be back to the original rate unless they refinance in between then. So here's the cherry on top. Rates are projected to go down in the next 2 years. So they've already been eyeing a refinance to lock in the future savings. And what are the pros and cons? So let's take a look. Pros. The biggest pro is that your initial payments are lower and the future payments are capped at the original rate. So if something goes crazy and it doesn't happen, it doesn't balloon up into an unaffordable payment. So this is not your traditional adjustable rate mortgage. This has safety measures built in. So the cons are higher upfront costs, and it only makes sense if the seller is contributing. The rate discount is temporary, but hey, all good things must come to an end, right? So if you were like my clients, expecting financial growth or just savvy about seizing opportunities right now when the market's a little slow, a 2-1 buy down could be just what you're looking for. So if you're looking to make your homeownership dreams come true without breaking the bank, consider a 2-1 buy down. And I have plenty of lenders that can help you with that. So that's a wrap. Remember, nobody sells Charlotte like we do. I'm Maureen Mahood, broker owner here in Charlotte, North Carolina. Why don't you hit subscribe button and let's write our next story and get you into a house.